Hey guys, Javi here with GJM. Today we're working on something truly meaningful. One of our customers lost his mother recently, and he brought in some of her old jewelry. Instead of letting it sit in a box, we're giving that gold a new life. We're melting it down to craft a custom chain he can wear every day and something that keeps her memory close. At GJM, family means everything, and this is what we love to do. It's not just about a piece of jewelry, it's about meaning, taking something old, something with history, and turning it into something new that our customer will be proud to wear every single day.